Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust checkboxes height and width using Foxit PDF Editor. And see these checkboxes. This checkbox height and width not similar. I'll make all of these checkboxes height and width similar. Now select Form options menu bar, and here you will find select annotation. Now drag your mouse to select it to checkboxes. Now put mouse cursor faster on, and here you will find the size, and I will fix this checkbox height. And see this height now adjusted, and also it align horizontally, and see this. Now I'll make these two text boxes wide. I'll fix, drag your mouse cursor, select, and click right button, and select size, and select here white. See this white now fixes. Also it align. I'll align all of this horizontally, and see this. In this way you can adjust all of your checkboxes height and width. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.